Let the battle for winter begin. All-weather tires versus winter tires. Which tire wins the battle? Winter tires, supreme grip in ice and snow. All-weather tires, handling winter while excelling year-round. Winter tires, extreme cold champions, but less versatile. All-weather, optimal traction in cold and wet conditions. Winter tires, unbeatable in deep snow and icy terrains. All-weather tires, secure grip in wet and slushy conditions. Winter tires, performance dips in milder seasons. All-weather, ideal for varied climates and long-lasting. The verdict: winter tires for severe winters, all-weather for versatility. Make the right choice for safer winter driving.